Hello friends, today we are going to make this beautiful muffler. For that I took 400 grams of yarn. Let's make magic knot. I'm going to make 220 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this way you can make chains as per your height. I make 220 chains. Once you're done with 220 chains, you have to make 2 extra chains. Till now I have done 220 chains. Now make 2 extra chains. 1, 2, and after that in third chain we will make first single crochet, yarn over. In third chain we will make 1 single crochet, yarn over. In next chain we will make next single crochet. Yarn over. In next chain we will make single crochet. You just have to repeat this pattern till this chain complete. As I make 220 chains, I will make this till the end. Here I completed single crochet till the end of 220 chains. This is the last one. Then we will make 2 chains, and from back loop of this chain we will make again. This is the back loop, not from front loop. Okay, we will make a single crochet again from back loop of this yarn, like this. 1, yarn over. From back loop we will take the yarn and make the single crochet. Again we have to repeat the same pattern. Yarn over, from back loop take the yarn and make single crochet like this. We just have to repeat the same pattern. Yarn over, from back loop take the yarn and make single crochet till the end, and at the end of this chain we will make 2 extra chain. Like this we have to just repeat it and make the width of muffler. Till now I done with the 6 rounds of the same pattern. This is the end of 6th round and I'm going to make one more round. Then again we will repeat 2 chains and from back loop yarn over single crochet. This is the 7th round. I make 7 round. You can make more rounds also to increase the width of muffler. Once we're done with the 7th round of the same pattern, I'm going to change the color. I'm taking blue color and I will make border with single crochet without yarn over. I will show you. Make slip knot of blue color and make it single crochet. Make single chain and from both chain we will take yarn and make single crochet without yarn over, okay, and not from back loop. We will take both the chains and make single crochet like this, and we will repeat the pattern till the end from both sides of the muffler. You just have to repeat the same pattern till the end of this one side and another side also. Now I have done with the one side of muffler, then we will make it from other side. it will look like this. We're done with one border. Now we will make here another border. Now cut the yarn and make knot here. I'm just hiding this extra yarn. Then again take the blue yarn for another side of the muffler. Make magic knot. From both sides we will take the yarn like this and make single chain. Again one more chain and we will make single crochet from taking the both chains in this single crochet. We are not going to use back loop for this border area, okay? We will take both the chains and making this border with single crochet. Again same pattern, we will do it till the end. Just repeat the same pattern till the end of this muffler. Now we will make the fringes for both sides. Cut the yarn in same size. I'm taking 11 cuts yarn or fringes for one side, 11 one side, 11 other side. So I will take total 22 fringes yarn in same size. In this way I make knot for both sides of this yarn, and I'm going to insert these fringes in this muffler. Like this you can pull the yarn and make one knot here like this. It is very simple and it will look like very nice. Take it, fold it and pull it from any loop and make knot like this. and pull it. In this way we will complete it and done with all fringes. This is the final look of fringes in this muffler. I hope you like this muffler. In this way you can make a muffler with a simple yarn too. This is the final look of my muffler. If you like the process and the tutorial of a muffler, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.